So I'm going to show you how to insert a voice recording or text for an assignment. At the top of your Moodle page, you have all of the course information. If we scroll down to week 3, you'll see an assignment there called A Reflexionar. We open the assignment, and here you're being asked to reflect upon some of the work from Unit 1. And in answering the questions, it is a little unique here in that you may either record your response, speaking, or you may submit a written post. And how you do this is we just scroll down to Add Submission. If you wish to write a response to these questions after you've thought about it and formulated your answers, you can just go ahead and start typing here in the text box. If you'd like to just share a verbal reflection, you can do that. And by clicking on the microphone, it's going to record it as an MP3 file. And you just click on record. You can pause, stop, and you want to play back. After you finish doing that, you just click on upload. And then after you upload, insert. And you will have a recording inserted. Click on Save Changes. Right now, nothing was submitted, but of course, when you get to this point, what it will show is the either recording or written post that you've made. And that's all there is to it.